If you ever thought about making your own token, whether that's a meme coin, ecosystem, or a gaming token, you can do that with Collectify. We're mostly an NFT toolkit, but of course, we still let you build ERC20 tokens with our platform. ERC20s can be created on any of the EVM platforms that we support, and it's really easy. I'm going to show you how. First, select the chain that you're going to build on. Make sure your wallet gassed up and we're ready to go. To get started, we're going to need a name, a ticker symbol. You need to determine the number of decimals that the coin has, the total supply, transaction tax, if you want to have one, you'll want a logo, and an introduction to what your coin's all about. After filling in all your socials and links, we can sign a transaction and create a contract. The contract's deployed, we're going to go to the dashboard, and here we can update everything about our coin. Descriptions and links can always be modified. And here's where you can create claim events. Claim events can be gated with whitelists, which you can also easily create with Collectify, and you can have public claims too. Adding this will let you distribute your coin without having to pay for an airdrop. If you chose to tax your token, you can claim the earnings from this page, and with theme you can update the aesthetics. Here we are, easy as that. People can start claiming your tokens. I'm going to get some of this coin now myself, and now I can get to using it. Once you created your coins, you can use it as the currency for minting your ERC721s or any of our other NFT standards. As well, it can be the dedicated token for your marketplace. If you want people to trade your token, you'll need to add liquidity, but that requires a guide all of its own. You can find plenty of resources out there already. So have fun making your own coins. Collectify, what are you building?